people get pressured and kaya nga nabibiktima sila ng love scam.
So since it's our Valentine's episode,
Yep.
what are your tips or advice dun sa mga vulnerable, yung mga
Marurupok.
heartbroken na mga tao naman?
Yeah. Well, be patient. Love comes and you don't go searching for love kasi once you do, that's, a lot of things happen and people might take advantage of you. So, just be patient na darating din yan. Kasi I think that's one of the vulnerabilities of Filipinos is once we, una, caring tayo. And second, we're such a close, family-oriented society na
Yes.
pag halimbawa wala ka pang boyfriend at a certain age, nape-pressure ka doon sa mga kamag-anak mo.
We get offended by those questions.
And people get pressured and kaya nga nabibiktima sila ng love scam.
Kaya din nagiging marupok ang tao or nagiging pressured to be in a relationship.
Yeah.
It's exactly because of these people peer pressuring them na mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend, mag-asawa and all. They feel left behind.